So I started with the emotion of compassion, which I was just interested in, but also seems pretty foundational to being a good person, is in those moments when other people are suffering, can you care about them? And do you hope to improve their welfare by giving them support or taking care of them? So I started my research on that, and then got interested in a second emotion of awe, which was sounds unrelated, but is actually related by this idea of prosocial emotions. And so I've been continuing that work, and in particular, focusing on not just compassion and awe, but also gratitude, inspiration, love, which make up this category of positive prosocial emotions. I actually have recently switched to calling them self-transcendent emotions, which I'll explain in a minute, but originally they were called prosocial because the idea behind these emotions is that they promote prosocial or altruistic behavior. So behavior where you're trying to promote the well-being, health, happiness of another person rather than focusing on yourself. I've since actually transitioned to calling them self-transcendent because they have this really amazing sort of cognitive quality of refocusing our attention away from the self and towards our environment and other people in it. And I think that part of it is really meaningful. And of course, they obviously do have these prosocial outcomes, but almost defining them by the process of how they impact the self rather than their outcomes. But they're the same group of emotions, and you'll hear term the same, prosocial or self-transcendent to refer to those. And so, yeah, I've continued working on these emotions that I believe pull us out of ourselves and focus us on other people. And I make the case in a lot of my work that I believe that that can be a really important pathway towards well-being. So part of a movement to argue for the role of positive emotions, but also thinking about how positive emotions are very different. We have pride, we have love, we have compassion. They're all very different experiences. And so I think this group of prosocial or self-transcendent emotions might be particularly relevant to promoting health and well-being. And part of that is because they connect us and bind us to other people. They're social emotions. And so they are really important in initiating and maintaining some of our closest relationships, which we know is critical to a person's health and well-being. We're social animals. We need to be with other people. And so my work has focused on really exploring these emotions and understanding all sorts of outcomes that they have, not just for health and well-being, but also for things like cooperation, their relationship to empathy, other elements of human nature that I think make us good.